Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your screen lock pattern. So in such case, make sure that you don't have the fingerprint or face unlock installed on your device, and if you don't, then in such case try your best to remember the screen lock pattern that you used the last time to log into your device. And if it doesn't work for you in the normal mode of your phone, then maybe some third-party application is affecting the way that your screen lock behaves, or maybe your phone is simply lagging because of the apps running in the background, which doesn't allow you to sign in. So in such case, let's restart the phone into the safe mode. To do that, shortly press the volume up key and the power button at the same time, select restart, and now when your phone starts rebooting, let's wait until the logo appears on the screen. Okay, here it is. Now wait until you see the red and white dots logo, and once you see it, start pressing and holding down the volume up key until your phone vibrates. Okay, so I'm holding it down. And as you can see, well, this time the phone didn't vibrate, but still, once your phone boots up, you'll be in a safe mode and you'll be able to see that indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now in the safe mode, try to enter your screen lock pattern again, and if it works for you this time, then just if it works for you, go to the settings, then select security and privacy, select device unlock, screen lock, now confirm, select turn off password, confirm, and then you can restart your phone in the very same way, except for we don't need to press anything during the boot up. So let's restart the phone, and this way you'll be able to regain access to your device. And now if this didn't help you, then in such case, the first thing that comes to my mind is reaching out to the OnePlus customer support service, as if you explain them your issue and provided them with proof of the ownership of your smartphone to them, they would most likely help you out with resolving your problem and help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from your phone. And now if this option is unavailable for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase everything from your phone, but will also let you regain access to your device 100%. And the first way to do this is remotely, and if you want to do this remotely, you should search for FindHub website. You can do this from any other device other than this one. Since you don't have access to this one, I just wanted to show you what I'm talking about. Now log into the FindHub service on Google using the Google account that is connected to your smartphone. And if you didn't disable the Find My Device feature manually in your phone settings, then you will be able to find your phone on the list. Then select factory reset operation, which is the last option on the list. And once your phone performs a factory reset, and once it is reset, you'll be able to set it up again as a new device. And now if you cannot use this option too, then you can perform a factory reset of your operation of your smartphone using recovery mode. And to enter, if you don't know how to enter recovery mode or how to navigate in it, or if you have some doubts on your way, then you can check the full video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset on OnePlus Nord 5, in which we'll explain everything step by step for you, so you don't get lost and surely will get everything right. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.